explain that to the people and make them say, no, girl, we are girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like we should explain that to them and make them say, I don't know, girl thing, because I think we have enough evidence. And that is the reason why I was asking Deverell about the thing, because I'm going to get onto the PI tomorrow, right? And if the PI, because he told me he can do it, they can submit the evidence. So what would have to happen? And as obviously, we'd have to give them fear number, give them Deverell number, and then they organize, because we have to go scrape the social media. I may have some clip where we'll send to them. So the more we can give them, and the less them have to dig, is the less hours them we use up. So that's what more have to ask, because once they can submit it, and they've obviously got the firm and the legal people to submit it and everything there. That's what I want. That's what I want. Because I tell her. And them do it.
Yeah, but you see, apparently there's someone in the DPP that is already handling Jayden's case.
But what the lady said earlier, and that makes a lot of sense. Even if you send them to the DPP, the DPP should distribute it to who is handling it. And I think
to the point person.
Yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense when she said it earlier, because it's like a post office and you send a mail and them have to start it out and send come a year number. So let's hope and pray so if we don't tell the PI that he's supposed to be able to, can tell with that. We do certain things. We don't have to tell him. And if him can't tell us, well, somebody in there I deal with it and she might go submit it for that person they get it. You understand what I'm saying? So certain things we can't, you understand, and even the internet as well, we can't belch out everything pan yourself.
Yeah. Remember now the information is not going to go to the DDP as you have it. So the person who work with like a lawyer, this person, forgot about the whatever the person name, I can't remember the name now. That person would have to listen to it and then type it out. So all that you are saying and how you put it together, the person have to literally listen through it and type it out and make it into a letter format so that the DDP can sit down and read it through. It's not just the little tape or recording them. It's not going to be like that.
No, it
have to type out. It have to and put into context.
Not only just typing out, it needs to go in like on a flash drive.
Yeah.
So,
So it have to do proper letter form and as in, so when it play according to. So it's a little work. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Right. So it's not just you sit down and say, you're going to send it in. It have to go put on and put together. And I like, me come with clinical and talk with this.
Let me tell you something. I agree and understand what you guys are saying, but this is not the first case that's going and it get going and done, and it's not going to be the last. So if we get the right appropriate people and we put in the right place them, we not have to worry about how them submit it or what. We just, because when I said submit it, I don't mean that they're going to just go and submit it now and it's done and it happen. No, but we just want the people them where we can do the right job, where we can say, all right, we settle with nerves and know say with the PI, I'm going to submit it and things are going to come to a fulfillment. You understand? So that's what I'm saying, and I've never used a PI before. All of these things is new. So we want to ask if well, I'm going to go through the reading and the papers because you have to sign to where I ask them to do and sign to where them is going to do for you. So we're going to go through that tomorrow. I see. But I would like to get this PI onto it. And as I said, with the advanced information, I know it sounds like Deverell information and what we know from the social media, we have a whole person to give to the PI if they go sit down and throw over it. And that is even better for we, because the more we can give a PI and the less them have to go out and go dig feet themselves. Is it much work them supposed to get done another 3 weeks?
Yeah, but I'll talk to you after here when it comes to like the information with the PI. But people want to contribute. And you can also talk to my audience too when you come on Thursday. to go over and contribute to the. But can the GoFundMe page? Can I post that GoFundMe link on YouTube? I must try that. Yeah, I must try that. And
so I'm not really good on computer as our thing, but yeah, and that's what we need right now. And so hold on. The March, one of the March is the 22nd of this month. Yeah.
Yes.
When Price? Which date you doing year March as well?
All right. So we're going sit down and we're going to put it together. It's not yard bars.
Okay.
Know that everything settle. Know that the water settle, and so we gonna come up now with a date. So if we go clash with that the date or close to that the date, we give everybody time to do what them have to do over there. So and then now when we over here start do what we do, we can get the maximum support. So they are doing what they are doing. Make them do what them do. We are put together, and then now we can tell people say, all right, this hour, that hour. So we not do no premature no. So we have a chat.
So Devil, me have your word. So here what happened now. I am gonna go out in full force after support of. Well, I was anyway. I wasn't supporting it halfway. So I'm gonna run out full force with it because I posted up the flyers last night. The Yard Boss did it as well. Right, and a few of my HRH family members did. So we are going to run out behind the 22nd and expect on to run out behind the full one, and we started like that.
I will definitely once Sir P send me the flyer, I would definitely post all over my campaign page and all of my social media page, and also send it out to my sponsor and my stakeholders them as well, and get a couple sponsors towards it as well. So we send an agreement right here and rest it right there as well. So when Sir P ready, he can link up
yeah,
and
man.
me the flyer, and I will do it.
Long time,
God.
And my page a long time.
My mother always tell me, say with Christ in the vessel, smile at the storm, you know? Mama Carol, big up yourself. She not commenting now. Huh?
Mama Carol, big up yourself, Tiger.
Big up yourself, Mama Carol.
People them in the chat, as well as me, would like to know if we're not going to join with them too, with Jayden, like be a part of them in a Jayden t-shirt. Like when they have the Ananda alert, them want you go with t-shirt with Jayden face on it too.
Yes, you can go with your Jayden
Yes.
So you guys
can go with the banner,
that, right?
So you can go with the banner.
It's about all missing kids. Not just Ananda, not just one kid, all missing kids. If you come with Jayden,
everybody can come with them kids. Come with a t-shirt.
With your Jayden.
Okay, so Tiger, what you are planning to do now? What are plan to do? The house. What are plan to do? Now plan for everybody to come together and hear.
May I get my t-shirt and my hat.
So you got no. What me I say? You got get like buy some t-shirt and get it printed. Like you buy 500.
Some white t-shirt. Yeah, man.
We can organize that. There are people that put money that go for me, so if you buy a t-shirt, I'm going to my pocket. I'm going to get some of my own t-shirt then.
We are going to have shirt provided there as well. Red and black shirt provided there as well.
But we don't want t-shirt like how I just say missing kids. You understand? So Jayden never be a missing kids. Like if me have somebody we're missing,
you're part of it as well. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
We are missing. So we are saying we could have buy 100 or 150 t-shirts and get them print.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Because also now we're going to get a chance now to be on the media and to speak with the DPP and bigger heads people, and also speak with my stakeholders them. And with my manager and my director, them we get a chance not to make a voice heard. And also people overseas who come down, we get a chance to speak with them as well.
Alright, so what we are saying now, like Tiger, Yard Boss, Toto and Serpia, the whole of the host, we know we're going to say to phone a little audience and say, alright, we're going to do one little something for Jayden. So if Tiger can come up with that 20 t-shirt, Toto can come up with that 20, Surprise can come up with that 20, Yardmaster come up with that 20. So we have at least the amount of t-shirt them. So, and I like a tiger alone, I go.
Alright,
Plan-
what you guys can do, get the names of the person who are come. I want to get the thing together with it because you don't want to get, like say, 100 t-shirt and 100 person don't show up. You have to see people that beside their mind. Because remember, it was a disunity, it was a disunity, and a disorganized, and unite now, So tell the people them say, everything good now, so if you get back and chat now and get in the mood now, of attacking, finding Jayden and find the person.
So the oath them the panel live on the ear, right, Tiger? A good suggestion.
Yeah.
Every host come up on it now. I want to go to the panel. I want to talk about it and we organize it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on there. Miss Carol.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna send one request to you. Take the request and come up in that box. When we come get some people to follow you. Come. Press bar accept. Somebody echo.
My screen record.
Guys, see lady of the moment. See her. When you get some follower in there for me, please and thanks. So no follow up our page, that's my mom.
Me send my thing.
Money.
But that's nobody I follow me, mother. I could walk one as a father God.
You follow.
I two someone miss follower. Two number someone miss follower.
No.
No. You probably with us.
Which part you go? Come on, follow her too.
She here in the big box.
Our money going
Where
Carol
you go,
again.
mommy? Where you go? I want to follow you.
And the protest for Jayden and the
Okay,
missing
me go
children,
follow.
man.
Big up yourself, my mother. One queen, Big up
Follow
yourself.
you
Big up yourself. Guys, this a lady, I say I like trouble, me get. And she, me get it from.
And if you can't must get trouble, you must get trouble for ban, and must get trouble for carry, and must get trouble
20 odd months.
Yeah, man, big up. Guys, I want to follow up our page and go like to our video, the man them something there. Want get her up, because it's a family of social media, Archie, you good?
Yeah, Tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah, just send me the link and me send you my thing.
Huh?
No, me I say send me the link and me send you my little thing.
The what, the GoFundMe?
Yeah, I can put what I put in there.
It's not the bio. It's not the bio. Once you click on the bio, I will see it in there.
Okay.
But moderator, you can't put the GoFundMe in the you can't pin when people in the box. But if you're going, just tap on my name, tap on it again for the logo, and you will see it in the bio say GoFundMe, and you click on it and you carry it straight inside of it.
Alright. So me send whatever I can buy a shirt and a little thing extra, so you do it.
Oh no. Fish shirt, no. No. The shirt I go to Yvette. Yeah, the vet I deal with the shirt money and the anything for do the march I go to the Yvette. The vet.
Okay.
Anything at all. And for do the march.
So we're gonna need that one then.
Yeah, the PI is.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
I don't want to get mixed up because I don't want them to send me a thief money and me a scam me money. So I want everything when them put it there, they can see public knowledge and I can write the receipt and so feed.
Alright, me do that.
The march can go. Huh?
Just now tell me you can send to the GoFundMe and then you send the difference to the vet.
Yes, because with the march, with the march and the vet I got to do that. Like, she can do it personal with Uno. So if you can send even through PayPal or whatever the case is, $10, $20, whatever to he. Because with the march, we have to see some party for people we have to see some buckler water and now them go put shot in it. So they say if we can't catch Kwaku, we catch 50 shot.
That's what Francis should tell.
Guys, me gonna follow up my mother page. She don't really know about TikTok like that, so I'm not stress her. And just get her some following for me. Me have 150 people over here. and not even 50. My mother can't get 50 followers. Oh, she me go take it down. Cause my people over there so gonna come like a star, come like a be a star cousin them. Let me tell you so then treat the thing. Look, guys, come on, man. You can't do better what the one I do. You can't just embarrass me. So put my mother at least put her 100 followers. At least she not a big box penny. You don't have to follow me, look, and me call police. Anybody follow me call police. Police! Oh, police are come. When you follow my mother's guy, follow my mother page. She not in a big box there. I want to say my mother, me mean me real mother, and I not talk my next mother, my real mother. I check say the people and I say, what? I'm glad to see my mother, man. I could get around 100 followers in her, so actually, I know they even move. Actually, I'm going to take out her back, say, I mean people I look for you. But I want to see her now for them. Come. Actually, later.
Come guys. 149 I will not follow her, man. Follow her. Remember she carry tiger in her belly for much years.
No, man, I tell me say she shouldn't carry me come here. You see it? I tell me say she shouldn't carry me come here, man. Okay, I stay there.
We get to ourselves.
When I got tired to see me face. Comfortable Carol in the place.
20 months, we get to ourselves to carry for 20 months.
No man, I afraid me I roll up me come in, man. Me don't want to come. afraid of the world, so. But guys, I feel pleased, I feel happy. I know, so I never come out here this evening if you go like this. I come out here for cuss and go and bad and beat Tammy, you know. I never come out, I swear to God, I did not come here. This wasn't something I planned, say I go up on TikTok go do this. It just happened spontaneously.
Yeah,
it
man.
just happened.
In an atmosphere, you know.
Me never plan for this. Me plan for come bust Tammy ass with them belt. Because I see that Tammy there, I want to know how Tammy feel. If you know she's sitting in her yard, I know so the girl that says she come 2 o'clock and she knows she don't come 2 o'clock and she not say nothing. Me not understand why she can't do that. I don't understand. But let me tell you something, Tammy. You better get some padding and pad up yourself because as of tomorrow, a belt buckle beating again, me dear. I saw you go. I apologize to you from now. Me I beat you just in case you do something next week. JT, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. And guys, I am so happy. I am so happy because I can't feel comfortable enough to go take 1 3-week break because every time I go up and break and come back, something always go wrong. So I can't hope so everybody now can carry on until when I come back. Vet. Guys, anybody will want
Yes,
donate
sir.
anything towards the march itself, please you can contact Vet for me. Please and thanks. So you can do it to Vet privately. So even if you can't go to her by like PayPal, what the other one called?
PayPal, e-transfer.
Yeah, any transfer. So
Yeah.
$10, $20, whatever. For that one, I think is but I don't know. Just whatever we have. But I will send mine as well. And for we want that for when we get the date. For when we get the date after the March. And now guys, please may I ask you now. Make we do a cross the board thing. So you see for the March, because here what happen now, you see for every children that included the children were missing, the children we can't find, the children we pass. So let's put out a big support behind that because we want to make them government people to know say right. We're fed up, we're tired, we're sick. We're not gonna sit around no more and watch this become a trend. We are trying to stop the trend, guys. We are trying to stop the trend what's taking place. When I get a chance, yard boss, show me tomorrow or so let me hear your finalize. Cause I think me go finally. I show me shy, guys. I show me shy. That's why I don't want to go over your boss. Cause me shy bad.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow.
When you not gonna look for you?
You will love chat, so where you shy for though?
Me shy. Me not like talk.
Yeah, you chat.
Yeah, man. Bless up, Surprise, Yard Boss. Bless up, Sunset. Bless up, Michelle. Bless up, Yvette. And big up yourself, Tiger. Make a shot here now.
Alright,
yeah, man, never jump to, but yeah, this was good today,
You like it?
Yeah, man, because I feel like we're much closer to justice after what happened today, and my hope is if the big dog would be able to follow suit.
You have a straight link for him?
The number depend him YouTube page.
Me have one number where me message him the other day, Cause me and him good like that still, but me message him the other day. But I wonder if this one number call me. I wonder for him. Me need to get a hold of him, man, and tell him say yeah, make him see so where we are. But him I go see where we are going when I say I don't know joke thing and this I don't know social media stunt. Well, for me anyway, it's not a social media stunt, and a man can listen. Everybody